Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. You all know what day it is. It is Tailgating and Touchdown Thursday. And I'm getting together with a whole bunch of other channels out there, and we're going to be coming up with a whole bunch of tailgate and touchdown recipes for y'all to make for your next football viewing party. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. This week I'm going to show you how we're going to rock out with our cracks out, and we're going to make Chex Mix. Well, you know what day it is, good looking, and I'm so glad you came to my kitchen because today is Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays. So we're going to be sitting there rocking out with our Crocs out, and I'm going to sit there and show you how you can sit there and make a real easy Chex Mix. And we're going to be doing it in our what? In our Crock Pot. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's go ahead and start off with our ingredients that I already have laid out inside our crock pot. But we have our wheat Chex, we have our rye chips, I'm using pecans, we have our bagel chips, and then I have our honey nut Chex, and then in my measuring cup right here we have some buttered straight pretzels, and we have our normal pretzels. So the ingredients are going to be down below in the description box. So be sure to sit there and check it out. Now, I partially melted the 6 tablespoons of butter. And now to this, I'm going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of my garlic powder. And we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And then 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. And then we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So let's go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to just remove the little spout thing so we can add this more fast. There. Now, I'm going to sit there and give our butter mixture a good stir. So the garlic powder, the onion powder, the seasoned salt, and the Worcestershire all get mixed up. So I'm going to mix this up a little bit better off camera, and we'll be right back. As you see, I mixed it up better. Now, I have my little trusty tool. I just love my wooden spoon. We're going to go ahead, come down here, and set our crock pot to high. I have my handy old wooden spoon that we're going to be using to mix everything up. I mixed up our butter and our garlic powder, our onion powder, our Worcestershire sauce, and our seasoned salt. Now, we're just going to sit there and pour this whole thing all over everything inside. Now, I like to add part of it and then toss it a little bit, and then add the rest. Before our whoopsie daisy moment. Okay, we spread a little bit down, and now I'm just going to sit there and just give this all a light toss. I'm going to come back to our butter mixture, or our seasoned butter, I should sit there and say, and I'm going to continue to spread the rest of the butter over the mixture, the chips inside of our crock pot here. And now this is going to cook for 90 minutes, and ever so often I want you to come by and just give it a good stir. We're not going to put the cover on it either. So I'm going to sit there and finish adding the rest of our seasoned butter. And cook this for 90 minutes on high without the cover. Remember, stir it ever so often. I'll see you in 90 minutes. Okay, it's 90 minutes later, and this has been getting snacked on, so I really gotta wrap this video up because this Chex Mix is going really fast. Now, if you know anybody who would love to join in on the Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, tell them about the collaboration that my channel has going and invite them to join in. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?